In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your WordPress site display on mobile. If your site looks cramped, text is too small, or buttons are hard to tap on a phone, the quickest way to improve the mobile experience is to use a reliable mobile optimization plugin. One of the most common solutions is AMP for WP. AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, and it creates a streamlined version of your pages that loads fast and displays cleanly on smartphones and tablets. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From there, head to the plugins area and use the search box to find AMP for WP. When you see the plugin in the results, click it, then click Install, and finally Activate. That's all you need to do to get the AMP version of your site up and running. Once activated, the plugin automatically generates mobile-friendly versions of your posts and pages, so people visiting from mobile devices will have a smoother experience without you rebuilding your site from scratch. What can you expect after activation? Pages should load faster on mobile networks, images and text should resize more appropriately for smaller screens, and navigation should feel more touch-friendly. If a plugin or theme was causing display issues, the AMP version often bypasses the problem by serving a simplified, standards-based layout that's designed specifically for mobile. A few helpful notes as you use it. AMP for WP includes settings you can explore later to fine-tune colors, logos, and which content types get an AMP version. You don't have to adjust anything right away for it to work. The default setup is designed to help most sites immediately. If your site uses custom elements, some advanced styling might not appear in AMP, which is normal because AMP prioritizes speed and clean structure. The key is that your content remains readable and navigable for mobile visitors. Remember to keep your plugins updated so you benefit from improvements and compatibility fixes over time. If you maintain a consistent publishing routine and a clean theme, AMP for WP will complement your existing design and present a lean, mobile-first view to your audience. That's it. Open your WordPress website, go to Plugins, search for AMP for WP, install it, and activate it. With those simple actions, your site should display far better on mobile devices, helping visitors find what they need quickly and enjoyably. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your WordPress site shine on every screen.